Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will dive into the latest BingX referral codes that can help you maximize your trading experience. If you're looking for an opportunity to enhance your trading journey, you're in the right place. BingX is a popular trading platform that offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and with that comes the chance to earn some significant rewards. One way to capitalize on these benefits is by using referral codes. Today, we'll focus on the BingX referral code CHUCHU, which provides exclusive promotions and bonuses when you sign up or make your trades. So, what's the big deal about using the referral code CHUCHU? Well, using this code not only unlocks special discounts, but also gives you access to unique promotional offerings, such as reduced trading fees or additional trading bonuses. These perks can make a real difference in your overall trading experience, allowing you to keep more of your earnings while you navigate the cryptocurrency market. Getting started is easy. Simply visit the BingX platform, enter your details, and be sure to input the referral code CHUCHU when prompted. This small step will open the door to unmatched benefits that can enhance your trading performance. Moreover, taking advantage of these referral codes is a great way to join a community of traders who share insights, tips, and strategies to succeed in the crypto world. You'll not only gain access to premium features, but also benefit from the support of fellow traders who are just as passionate about cryptocurrencies as you are. In conclusion, don't miss out on the benefits that come with using the BingX referral code CHUCHU. Sign up today, trade smart, and watch your crypto portfolio grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Crypto Horizon, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates on the latest trends and opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Horizon. Happy trading!